Just over 14,000 companies are auto-enrolling next year, with thousands more in 2015. Plenty of planning is required for companies, so they auto-enrol in time. The leading companies such as Standard Life are suggesting that a year's preparation is needed before the staging date. Other companies such as Prudential go even further and suggest 12 to 16 months. There's a 240-page document which the pension regulators put in place for companies to follow just on their responsibilities alone. In a survey that we did to companies, half of those companies surveyed did not know what auto-enrolment was. And 90% of those companies enrolling next year haven't even started planning for it. And the most important factor is that companies who fall foul of those auto-enrolment rules could be receiving up to a fine of £2,500 a day. Companies can find out what day they are auto-enrolling by going on the pension regulator website, and also the pension regulator will write to those companies a year before they auto-enrol to confirm the date, and again 6 months later. In terms of auto-enrolment, employees fall into 3 different categories: entitled, non-eligible and eligible. And it is eligible that the company should give consideration to with auto-enrolment, and we can help you in categorising these different employees. In terms of contributions, many companies are not aware that come 2018, that if they're using basic pay as a definition for contributions, then the total contribution would be 9%, of which employers will have to pay 4%.
As Sam has just explained, the implications of auto-enrolment will have a significant impact on all employees and employers. With effect from July 15, virtually all companies will have to register in a very short space of time. To enable us to assist with the administration to make sure that all registrations are on time and systems are set up within our payroll, you need to talk to us as soon as possible. With the change in rates that are taking place from 1% employees to 5% over a period of time, employers need to be fully aware of the implications of auto-enrolment and how this will impact on their company costs. The joint venture between Bentley Financial Advisors and Jordan & Company will help you to assist this process and make it as smooth as possible. Talk to us as soon as you possibly can to make sure your scheme is set up in due course with the right administration process, and that the payroll runs smoothly as possible when you need to auto-enrol your scheme. In order to get your scheme auto-enrolled today, speak to Mark Jordan on 01384 443 444 or email mark@jordan-ca.co.uk.
Alternatively, contact Sam Sneed at Bentley Independent Financial Advisors on 01746 767682 or email ssneed@bentleyIFA.com.